Welcome to my Car and Train channel. Today I want to share with you this Pleasureway XL TS. We have looked at buying one, but it ended up being a little bit too small for us. It must be a 21 foot, if I am correct, long. You can see in the back the couch, which becomes a bed. So the base is a Ford Econoline E350. You have all your amenities. Here, top right, you can see the control panel. So those vans, my opinion, those vans, they are very good if you want to have basically the same parking size as a car. So very easy to go in town to park, but you need to understand that space-wise you are going to be very, very limited. And for us, perhaps we like a little bit too much having quite a bit of comfort. So for us it was clearly too small. The bathroom, typically, you need to open the door to be able to use it. So you have an all-in-one shower, head, toilet, but it's very small space. So it's always a question of compromise, but it's a very good, small, compact motorhome. I have, by the way, a lot of videos of those small, B-class motorhomes on my Car and Train channel, so you can check out the other that we have. Thank you very much for watching this video.